Welcome to Elegant Themes, using the Sample Data feature. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to use the Sample Data feature to populate a barebone theme. This tutorial is for fresh theme installs. However, everyone can benefit from the instructions. We will be using the professional theme for this tutorial. However, the process is the same for all Elegant themes. Please keep in mind that your screen may look different depending on your browser and whether or not you're using a PC or a Mac. For this demonstration, I am using a Mac running the latest version of the Firefox browser. Before I begin, I would like to take a moment to explain the benefits of using the Sample Data feature. When you install an Elegant theme, you are essentially installing a barebone theme with no content except for the sample post and sample comment as shown here. This is what WordPress installs across the board and is not exclusive to Elegant themes. Enabling the Elegant Theme Sample Data feature essentially gives you a fully functioning site populated with dummy text, or lorem ipsum as it is called within the design community. It is nothing more than Latin gibberish or filler that is used as a text placeholder until the actual copy is placed. This allows you to see the site as a whole and experiment with different features. When you get your site looking just right, you can simply replace the dummy text with your own content. I have completed a fresh install of the professional theme, and as you can see, there isn't much to look at. In fact, it is quite jumbled due to the lack of content and certain elements activated within the ePanel. I cannot visually grasp the power that an Elegant theme offers, or how my theme will respond to my input, as I do not have enough content to populate the site. Allow me to introduce you to Sample Data. Before this feature can be enabled, we need to turn on a WordPress function via the Tools panel. From the Administrator dashboard, select Tools, Import, and we're going to click on the WordPress, but not just yet. This tool allows import functionality for many applications. However, we will only concentrate on the Sample Data import function. If you would like to find out more about this powerful tool, please visit the URL on the bottom of your screen. Now, if we click on WordPress, a new screen will appear called the Install Importer, prompting you to install the WordPress tool. As a side note, the tool is developed and maintained by WordPress, so it is completely safe to install. Let's click the Install button now. The next screen will prompt you to activate plugin and run importer. Simply click on the link to activate the tool. The next screen, Import WordPress, will prompt you to import a file. In this case, we want to browse to the theme folder on our desktop or wherever you have it saved and navigate to Theme, The Professional, Sample Data, Sample.xml. Next, choose the Upload File and Import button to bring in the Sample.xml file. Next is the Assign Authors and Import Attachments screen. We need to make sure the Replace ePanel settings with sample data values is checked under Import Attachments. This will ensure that the ePanel for your particular theme is populated correctly. Otherwise, you'll wind up with a jumbled mess. Click on the Submit button and you will see all of the files that have been imported. You may be asking, what does this have to do with my site? Well, this is a visual answer, so let's click on the title of our site to see the changes. The site is now populated with dummy text, and we can immediately see the difference from the barebone site. Essentially, what you are seeing is exactly the same as if you were to preview a theme from the Elegant Themes homepage. All elements are in place, and you can begin to experiment with your own content. Simply delete, add, or replace sections of the site until you are satisfied with the final outcome. For example, let's change the first post from "Umbrella Rides the Wind" to "I love my elegant theme." Simply go back to the dashboard and click on Posts. You will notice that there are plenty of posts to experiment with. However, we will choose Edit on the first post and change the title. Now, when we preview the site, we can see the changes. This is only the tip of the iceberg. Take some time, use your imagination, and play. Not only will you be able to see changes as they occur, but you may come across a feature or two that you never knew existed. As a side note, you do not have to reinstall the WordPress tool if you decide to try a different elegant theme, provided you remain on the same server. If you set up a new site on a different server, you will need to reinstall the Sample Data tool. This concludes using the Sample Data feature tutorial. As always, should you have further questions, please visit the Elegant Theme Forum, where our friendly and knowledgeable moderators are standing by to lend a hand. Thank you, and have a successful day.